Hey guys, this is Joachim. In this video I will show you our new bevel command. And this bevel command is gonna replace the define and cut command. We're gonna move the bevel into the 3D5X environment. But to do that I need to open a sample file. I'll use the import 4 like this, and I will create a part from this and use 60 mil as a thickness, like so. And after that we can use the bevel command. This will import it to the 3D5X environment like this, and it will import it as this green color that represents the 2D part. And it does that because you cannot manipulate it as you can with a solid model. But what you can do is go over to CAM and use this bevel function. So we can select the surface. Let's just select the edge here. And you see we got all these bevels and all these settings for the bevels. I'm gonna use this, so I click on this image and I'm gonna click on the edge that I want to have manipulated. And you see we get this nice preview of the bevel, like so. I'm satisfied with that. I'm gonna say done, close, and now you can use the curves, toolpaths, but I'm just gonna use the auto command with the circular piercing shore. Alright, and it looks like this. Looks pretty good. There's one thing though, there's these red vectors, and that's because the cutting head that I've set up for this software, I think these are exceeding the tilt angle for that cutting head. See here, yeah, it's 51.5, so I think ours is only to 45 or 46. But anyway, that's the new bevel command. Thank you.